Subdivision 16 of exercise 2.5 says that what are possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given below. So the point here is they have given the volume, we need to find out the dimensions of the sides, dimensions of that cuboid. See, for instance, just let us try to understand this cuboid. Suppose you have a cuboid and you know that cuboid is a three-dimensional space, and hence it will have length and breadth and height, and volume of the cuboid can be written as L into B into H. Suppose you have been given a number like 44 minus 4, something like this. Then you know that 44 minus 4 is 40. 40 can be written as 2 times 20, but this 20 can be written as 4 times 5. Then when you multiply 2 into 4 into 5, then that is going to be equal to 40. This number 40 can be written as 2 into 4 into 5. Suppose you have a cuboid whose volume is 40 units, then the dimensions of the cuboid may be equal to 2 into 4 into 5. So 2 cross 4 cross 5. In the same fashion, the question number 1 that they have given here is this. So 3x square minus 12x. If this is equal to volume of a cuboid, what is one possible, it's not necessarily equal to the exact thing, what is one possible dimension? Like suppose if you write this 3x square minus 12x, you can write 3 times x into x minus 12 can be written, because there is 3 over here, we can write, let's try to write this 12 in terms of 3. So we know that 12 by 3 is 4, then it can be written as 3 into 4, 12. So 3 times 4 into x. Now what is common between the first and second term? There is 3 common between this and x common between this. So you can take 3 and x common. So 3x, if you take, the left out is x and the left out is 4 and x minus 4. So what is this actually? 3 times x into x minus 4. Hence, the dimensions of a cuboid may be 3 centimeter, x centimeter and x minus 4 centimeter, or 3 meter into x minus 4 meter. So the dimensions could be 3 units, x units and x minus 4. The other question that they have given here is this. So 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. If this is equal to volume of a cuboid, find one possible set of dimensions. So let us try to expand and try to take the common things. So here we can write this as 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k could be written as, so there is k common in all, and you see 12, 8 and 20 all could be like divisible by 4. We can take 4 common. So how you can write the 12? 3 into 4 can be 12. This 12 we have written as 3 into 4, and let that k be as it is. This y square could be written as y into y. Then there is 8ky, so plus 8ky can be written as 2 times 4 into k into y, minus 20k, minus 20 could be written as 4 times 520 into k. See, these dots represent multiplication. So right now let us see in the what is common between the first, second and third terms. I'll take a different color. You see there is 4 common in all the terms and y common in the first 2 terms, so it's not with the last term, so we can drop that. So 4 common and then k common in all 3. So you can write that as 4 and k. If you take 4 and k out, you have 3 see 4 and k out, 3y square, so 3y square, the left out is 2y, so plus 2y, and the left out here is 5, so it is minus 5. So you can say, you tempt to say that 4 into k into something like this, 3y square plus 2y minus 5, but we need to check if this is further like can be written in terms of factors. So but let us see if this polynomial can be factorized. See, when you look at this, you take this term, 3 into 5, 15. So 3 into minus 5 is equal to minus 15. So if 3 into minus 5 is minus 15, but here there is plus, so it is, you can write this as the multiplication of two things, but it should be positive. So we can be writing that as minus 3 into plus 5. So which is equal to minus 15, and the minus 3 plus 5 gives you like plus 2 as is given there. So what you can do is, let us try to write that thing. I'll just rub this off, so we don't need it here. So you can write this as 4k into 3y square. Instead of 2y, this can be written as 5y minus 3y. So 5y minus 3y is 2y and minus 5. Then you multiply inside, so 4k into 3y square plus into plus 5y is 5y, plus into minus is minus 3y minus 5. So we have done with it. So now what you can do is 4k into, see what is common between the first two term is y. So this is basically 3 into y plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. So this can be written as 4k into, let us take y common between this. When you take y out, 3y and y plus 5 is left, so we can be writing 3y plus 5, and that is, if you take minus 3y minus 5, let's take minus out. When you take minus out, you can be writing this as 1 into 3 and 1 into 5. So if you take minus 1 out, it will be equal to plus 3y plus 5. So we should be doing this to match with this, so that this can further be taken out. See, minus 1 into 3y is minus 3y, this is coming back. Minus 1 into plus 5 is minus 5, this is again coming back. So you can be doing that. So we have the next term as, I'll be writing here, so 4k into, see there is 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5 common between the first and second term. So you'll be writing 3y plus 5 common. When you take 3y plus 5 common, there is y left out here, minus 1 left out here, so it is y minus 1. So now that we have written this term like 12k y square plus 8k y, so we have written this 12k y square plus 8k y minus 20k as what? 4k into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. So that is 4k into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. So this is possibly like, if you equate this, volume is equal to L into B into H. So the length could possibly be 4k, breadth could possibly be 3y plus 5, and height could be y minus 1. Then if 12k y square plus 8k y minus 20k represents volume of a cuboid, then the dimensions of the cuboid could be 4k plus 3y plus 5 plus y minus 1. For all set of values k, y, if you give a set of values for k, all will represent the volume, and the volume could be expressed as 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k.